In this video we are going to explain you how to use your admin area.
Instructions for using the AI Chat Pro script.
Follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how your site works. Admin settings. Here you will decide how your program will run.
Click here to know more about how to set up API key.
You can use this section to put your site in maintenance mode, and in this period, only admin will be able to access the admin area. All other features will be disabled. File Manager. Here you can upload new files or delete the previous uploaded files. Generate database backup. This section will let you take database backup from admin area itself. Update system. Here you can find the list of updates that are available for your system.
AI bot training. Train your bot. Manage the custom messages your AI bot will use for replying to specific questions. You can easily view, edit, or remove them here.
Log out. Thanks for watching this video.